And today I'll be explaining how to make this crystalline earring. And to make this earring, we need size 4 crystal beads. We need a size 4 crystal beads. You can choose any color you wish, but make sure that the shape looks like that of a cone and not a round shape. This is a cone shape. It's a faceted cone shape, and we'll need a 24 gauge wire. We need a bead cap. For this style of earring, you need a bead cap that has holes like this, and a earring top. Then we need head pin. This is a decorative head pin. Also, we will need small infinity loop. I've explained how to make this loop. For this earring, the hole of the bead cap has about 13 holes. It has 13 holes. I'll make this in 13 places because the hole of the bead cap has 13 holes. So I'm making 13 connecting loops. And you set that aside. You create your S weights. You can use this simple infinity loop, or you can use jump ring to connect your bead to the bead cap. It all depends on you. So let's connect our S loop with the bead. Do that for the remaining. Now is to connect our loop to the bead cap. So this is how you continue to attach the connecting . So this is what we'll have at the end. Now the next thing is to add a head pin to the bead cap. So to do that, just insert your head pin . So the final stage is to add a earring hook to the end. Our statement earring is ready.